Namaskaram and a warm welcome to all of you. Today, Vasandam Natural is proud to present this educational program to help the people of Kerala understand a golden opportunity that the central government of India has created especially for you. This presentation is about starting a cold press coconut oil manufacturing unit. Kerala is the coconut capital of India. But did you know that the most of the coconut from our own soil is processed by factories outside Kerala? That can change starting with you. The entire business project, the type of product, the investment amount, the number of workers, the machinery, everything has been researched and approved by the central government of India under the PMEG scheme. You do not need to design this yourself. The government has already done that work for you. So listen carefully. By the end of the session, you will know exactly how to start your own business with full government support. Let's look at what this project is all about. The numbers straight from central government's approved project report. The total cost of this project is just rupees 12,39,000. Out of this, you only need to arrange 10%. That's about 1,24,000 rupees from your own pocket. The rest, more than 11 lakhs, come from the bank loans and the government-backed working capital. This business can generate annual sales of up to 74,69,000 rupees by year 5. This is more than 6 times your initial investment, coming back to you every single year. It creates employment for 13 people from your community. The government has set a break-even point of just 44%, meaning you only need to run your unit at less than half its capacity to cover all your costs. That's how safe and secure this project is. Remember, these numbers are from the official central government pre-feasibility report. This project has been approved and endorsed by Government of India. Now let's understand the product itself. Cold pressed coconut oil. This is not ordinary coconut oil. Cold pressed coconut oil is extracted without using any heat or chemicals. The copra, that is dried coconut, is pressed through a traditional wooden honey machine. The oil that comes out is 100% natural, unrefined, and full of nutrients. Why is this special? Because health conscious consumers across India and the world are willing to pay premium prices for natural chemical free oils. The selling price starts at rupees 280 per litre and goes up to 320 per litre by year 5. The global market for cold pressed oil was $24 billion in 2018 and is growing at 5.3% every year. The demand is huge and Kerala is, with its abundant coconut supplies, perfectly positioned to supply it. You're not entering a dying business. You are entering a growing global market right here in Kerala with your own central government's full backing. The manufacturing process is beautifully simple. This is not a high-tech factory. It's a clean, natural process that our ancestors understood well, and the government has now formalized it into a proper, profitable business model. Step 1. You receive dry coconut, known as copra, as your raw material. It is available right here in Kerala. Step 2. The copra goes into a traditional wood press honey machine. No chemicals, no excessive heat. The pressing temperature never crosses 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 3. Pure coconut oil flows out naturally. It is collected and allowed to cool. Step 4. The oil is filtered through a filter machine to make it crystal clear and food grade. Step 5. The leftover copra cake is not wasted. It is sold as livestock feed, additional income for you. Step 5. The filtered oil is packed and dispatched. 10 rounds of production per day gives you 300 kilograms of copra processed and a profitable day's work. The central government has standardized this entire process. You do not need to experiment, just follow the approved process. Now let's talk about the machinery. Many people worry, where do I get the machines? How much will they cost? Will the technology be too complicated? The answer is no. The central government has kept this project simple and accessible to all entrepreneurs. The total machinery and equipment cost is just rupees 6,80,000. This includes the main wood press khani machine, a 5 HP electric motor, a filter machine, storage tank, weighing scales, and packaging equipment. All of this runs on a standard 15 HP 3-phase electricity connection, which KSEB can provide at any industrial unit in Kerala. And here is the best part. Under the PMFME scheme, you can get up to 35% of this machinery cost as a capital subsidy from the central government. That means the government pays for more than 1/3 of your machinery for free. So where do you buy this machine? You do not need to travel far or search blindly. Right here in Kerala, CAMCO, the Kerala Agro Machinery Corporation, is a government enterprise that can supply agro processing equipment. Since it's a government body, purchases from CAMCO are often preferred for subsidy-linked procurement. On IndiaMart, the national online marketplace, there are over 200 verified suppliers of wood khani and cold press machines. You can compare prices from your own phone. For free technical guidance on which machine suits your location and scale, CFTRI, the Central Food Technological Research Institute, provides free consultancy. You can call them and ask questions at no charge. The District Industry Center in your district also has an approved vendor list for machinery. They will guide you step by step. The point is, you are never alone. The government ecosystem is ready to help you buy the right machine at the right price. A business needs people, and this project creates good, dignified jobs right in your community. The central government's approved project report has clearly calculated the manpower requirement, 13 people in total. On the labor side, 8 workers, including a supervisor at rupees 20,000 per month, the planned operator at 15,000, 4 unskilled workers at 8,500 each, and a helper and security guard. On the staff side, 5 people including an accountant and 4 administrative staff. The total monthly wage bill is about 1,61,000 rupees. All of this is already factored into the project's financial calculations. The business can afford to pay all 13 people from its own revenue. And for women, SC, ST, and minority entrepreneurs, there are additional special incentives including extra capital subsidy and land subsidy. This project especially welcomes the women entrepreneurs of Kerala to step forward and claim what the government has prepared for you. Now let's look at the money growth over 5 years. Sales grow from rupees 43,85,000 in year 1 to 74,69,000 by year 5. The gross profit margin stays healthy at around 40% throughout. Net profit grows from 72,000 in the first year to rupees 5,32,000 by year 5. That's a personal income of over 5 lakh per year from your own business. The business runs at 45% capacity in year 1 and reaches 65% by year 5. Very realistic targets that thousands of entrepreneurs across India has already achieved under this government scheme. These are not promises made by a private company trying to sell you something. These are projections calculated and published by the Ministry of Food Processing Industries of the Government of India. I want to take a moment to explain the profit numbers you have seen in the previous slide. The net profit estimates we have discussed so far, like the 1 lakh in year 1 growing to 5.3 lakhs in year 5, are based on the standard central government business project data. These figures come from a pre-feasibility report designed to be highly conservative and safe for initial project identification and loan approvals. However, it is important to know that these numbers are just the starting point. In reality, this business is highly scalable. The government model uses a very cautious sale price of 280 to 320 per litre. As the report itself mentions, these plans can be modified based on our specific requirements by moving into direct sale, retail, and establishing a premium brand. We can command higher market prices, which significantly increases our profit margin. So while the government data gives us a solid proven foundation, our actual market potential is much larger and we scale our branding and distribution. Now let's address the most common worry, the money to start. The total project cost is rupees 12 lakh 39,000. Here is how it is funded, and this structure has been designed by the central government to make it accessible for ordinary people like you. You, the entrepreneur, contribute only 10%. That's rupees 1 lakh 24,000. Most families can manage this from saving, gold loan, or chit funds. The bank provides a term loan of rupees 7 lakh 16,000 at 11% interest over 5 years with 6-month moratorium, meaning you do not have to repay anything at the first 6 months. And here is the most important point. Under PMEGP, the government gives you a margin money grant of 25 to 35% of the project cost. This is a gift. You never pay it back. For general category entrepreneurs, that is about 3 lakhs. For SC/ST, women and minorities, it is 35%, more than 4 lakh rupees, absolutely free. The government has removed every financial barrier for you. There is no excuse not to start. Every license you need is obtainable, affordable, and supported by the government. Your very first step, do your Udyam registration today. It's completely free. It takes 10 minutes online at udyamregistration.government.in. Without this, you cannot claim a single government subsidy. So this is your number one priority. Do it tonight. Next, FSSAI Food Safety License. Apply online at foscos.fssai.gov.in. Call their helpline at 1-800-112-100. They will guide you. GST registration at gst.gov.in. Required once your turnover crosses 20 lakh per year. Trade license from your nearest panchayat or municipality, a simple annual process. BIS and AGMARK certification is completely recommended. Certain products command premium prices and open export market. KSPCB NOC. This is a category green clearance, the simplest category. Apply online. Your nearest district industry center will help you get every single one of these. They sit with you, guide you through every form at zero cost to you. National government schemes. Now listen very carefully, because this is a section that tells you why the central government wants you to start this business. PMEGP, Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program, gives you 25 to 35% of your total project cost as a government grant. Not a loan, it's a grant. You never pay it back. Apply it at kviconline.gov.in. PMFME, PM Formalization of Micro Food Enterprises, gives you 35% credit linked capital subsidy up to 10 lakh rupees per unit. This is specifically designed for food processing micro enterprises, exactly what you are starting. Apply at pmfme.mofpi.gov.in. NABARD gives 25 to 33% capital subsidy for agri-processing unit, available to self-help groups, cooperatives, and individuals. National Horticulture Mission gives 50% subsidy to individuals and 75% to SC and ST entrepreneurs for processing infrastructure. And the most powerful point, you can combine these schemes, FMEGP plus PMFME plus NABARD, multiple government grants on the same project. Your District Industries Center will help you apply for all of them together. The money is there. Go and claim it. Kerala state government schemes. In addition to the central government schemes, the government of Kerala has created additional benefits exclusively for Kerala entrepreneurs. The KFC, Chief Minister's Entrepreneurship Development Program, gives loan up to 1 crore rupees at just 5% interest. Normal bank interest is 11% or more. The state government subsidizes the rest. This saves lakh of rupees over the loan period. The Kerala MSME interest subsidy scheme brings your effective interest down to just 4%, plus 100% reimbursement of SGST on capital investment for 5 years, plus 100% exemption from electricity duty for 5 years. These savings directly increase your profit every single year. The KAMS scheme provides loan up to 5 crore for agri-processing units with 12-month moratorium. For women SC/ST entrepreneurs, Kerala gives 100% land subsidy and additional 10% capital subsidy on top of everything else. Kerala is ranked number 1 in ease of doing business. The government is actively working to help you succeed. You have support from both central government and the state government. There has never been a better time to start. Entrepreneurship does not always begin with big capital. Sometimes it begins with the right structure and the courage to take the first step. This project demonstrates how a small investment can be strategically supported through government schemes designed to empower entrepreneurs, especially NRI returnees. Through the PMEGP scheme, entrepreneurs can receive a capital subsidy of up to 35% along with collateral-free financing support by CGTMSE. At the same time, the NORKA NDPREM program offers additional advantages for returning expatriates, including interest rebates that significantly reduce financial pressure during the early years of business. When these opportunities are combined wisely, a project like this cold pressed coconut oil unit with a total investment of about 12 lakh rupees becomes financially achievable and sustainable. This approach shows that entrepreneurship is not only about ideas but also about understanding the system and support structures available to you. For all those who have the vision to build something of their own, the ecosystem is ready to support you. All it takes is the willingness to begin. This project presents a structured approach to establishing a cold pressed coconut oil manufacturing unit through government supported funding programs. By leveraging schemes such as PMEGP and NORKA, entrepreneurs can access financing designed to support small manufacturing ventures with reduced capital barriers. This model demonstrates how strategic funding support can enable sustainable and scalable entrepreneurship in the coconut processing sector. Many aspiring entrepreneurs hesitate to start a business because they believe they must provide land or property as collateral to obtain a bank loan. However, under the CGTMSE credit guarantee system, this barrier is significantly reduced. In this model, the entrepreneur brings the business idea, the project plan, and the commitment to run the enterprise. The bank provides the financial capital required to establish the business, including both the term loan and working capital. To support the bank and encourage lending to small entrepreneurs, CGTMSE provides a credit guarantee that covers the primary default risk. This partnership between the entrepreneur, the bank, and the government backed guarantee system creates a powerful safety net. It enables individuals with viable ideas to access funding and step confidently into entrepreneurship even without traditional property collateral. Who to call? Let's now give the direct contact number so you can take action today. KBIP, the Kerala Bureau of Industrial Promotion, as explained in the slide, they process your 35% capital subsidy application. Department of Industry and Commerce, this is where you apply for state MSME subsidies and CGST reimbursement. State Horticulture Mission, they process the NHM subsidy for processing unit. KVK Pathanamthitta, free technical training and support for coconut oil processing at zero cost to you. Coconut Development Board, technical guidance and market linkage for coconut oil producers. Kerala Startup Mission, for young entrepreneurs, incubation, mentoring and funding access. Please save all these numbers on your phone right now. The schemes are active. The offices are ready. Do not wait. Expert help, consultant contacts. For professional guidance on preparing your project report and loan application, these expert organizations are ready to help you. KAIC, Kerala Agro Industries Corporation. They help you prepare the detailed project report that your bank requires before approving your loan. KIED, Kerala Institute of Entrepreneurship Development. They run entrepreneurship development programs and have helped thousands of Kerala entrepreneurs start their journey. Contact them before you go to the bank. CFTRI in Mysore provides free technical consultancy on the production process. Coconut Development Board in Kochi for complete technical and market support. Remember, your district industry center is your local gateway to all government schemes. Visit them first. Their guidance is completely free. Step by step, your 6-month action plan. Here is your complete 6-month roadmap from today to your first batch of cold pressed coconut oil. Month 1, register your Udyam online tonight for free. Open a current bank account. Contact KIED or KAIC to prepare your detailed project report. Apply for FSSAI license. Visit your DIC for subsidy guidance. Month 2, submit your bank loan application to KFC, SBI or NABARD. Apply simultaneously for PMEGP or PMFME subsidy. Obtain your trade license from Panchayat. Apply for GST registration. Get your KSPCB NOC. Month 3, secure your 1500 square foot shed. Arrange the 15 HP KSCB connection. Complete flooring, drainage and ventilation work. Month 4, order your wood cutting machine from KAMCO or India Mart. Install the mortar and filter machine. Set up storage tank. Conduct trial runs. Month 5, hire your 13-person team. Attend free training at CDB or KVK. Conduct pilot production. Get quality test done. Month 6, apply for BIS and AGMARK. Register on the GEM portal to sell government departments, Government Supply Co and Horticorp. Launch an Amazon and Flipkart. Approach local hotels and bakeries. 6 months from today, you can be a business owner with government backing. Let's close with this thought. The Central Government of India has approved this project. They calculated every number, the investment, machine, workers and profit. They created schemes that give you free grant, low interest loan, tax exemptions and free training. Government of Kerala has added, again with low interest loans, electricity duty exemption and special support for women and SC/ST entrepreneurs. All of this exists because the government wants ordinary people like us to become job creators, not just job seekers. Kerala's coconuts are world famous, Kerala's entrepreneurs are world class, and now the government is offering us the tools, money, and a full support to build something of our own. Take the first step today. Visit your nearest district industry center, call KIED or KAIC, start your Udyam registration tonight. This educational initiative is our commitment to the farmers and entrepreneurs of Kerala. Thank you.